Hello there. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about how to enforcing GPO. So enforcing means we are forcing a particular GPO from the policy, or we forcing that GPO to also apply that policy. For example, in last video we learned about the block inheritance. So by applying block inheritance, one particular group of user uh, deprived from the policy or saved from the policy, but by enforcing, for example, help and support and run option was disabled from the test or user, but you can see at administrative server also that option is blocked, but those particular lucky users are using that. So for example, at group policy management, I want to show the policy. This is what the policy was, client policy, and test OU, the lucky test OU users are deprived or saved from the policy. So that you can see the exclamatory mark, and you can see the block inheritance. But now what we're going to do, we're going to force this test OU users to bound to apply that, or bound to accept that the policy. So since server user, even administrative user are not having the help and support and run option, we want test users also to have that. So currently I'm just using test user 1 as a login, and you find that help and support option is there, so lucky users. But by enforcing GPO enforcing, we will force those test users to apply to accept that. So you can see right click enforced, and currently one small lock button is also lock graphics also added, so it means it's now logged. It means this policy is now locked, so no matter whosoever GPO or you asks for or do a block inheritance things, that user will no longer be affected, will have to follow that policy. So GP update space/force. So currently updating the policy, says now particular OU, for example any OU, if applies this block inheritance things, then also that inheritance will not going to apply, and user have to forcefully have to follow that policy. So logging off, once again I want to log on with the server, give a command, and here we go, no more help and support option, the luck is over. So now test users are also following the domain, like administrator user or any users. All users will now have disabled the policy of block of the help and support and run. So this enforce option force particular OU users, for example if they block the policy, force that policy to apply.